Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain VITALANT app review to see what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The VITALANT app is built to make blood donation easier and more convenient for donor. It lets you schedule and manage appointments, track your donation history, and even see where you are eligible to donate again. The app also includes donor reward and health stats, giving user a clear view of their impact. For regular donors, it's simple and practical way to stay connected with VITALANT and keep the process smooth. That said, the app isn't without flawless. Some users report glitches with scheduling, slow update, or troubles sync donor history, which can be frustrating. While it's a great companion for those who donate frequently, casual donor might not find it essential. So in conclusion, the VITALANT app is worth using if you want to streamline your donation and track your contribution, but experts expel technical hiccup along with it. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more.